Nearly half of children dosed with semaglutide in a study lost enough weight to no longer be classed as clinically obese. Almost 3/4 of the children assigned the drug had an improvement in at least one BMI category by the end of the study, compared with just under a fifth on the placebo. The study demonstrates the high degree of clinical effectiveness the drug has in adolescents with obesity. While the drug may have transformative effects for people living with obesity, doctors warn that it is not a quick fix and that it should be used in conjunction with lifestyle therapies and other anti-obesity measures. The Center for AI Safety has released a statement signed by several leaders in the AI field saying that mitigating the risk of extinction from AI should be a global priority. The open letter doesn't specify exactly what AI is, nor does it suggest how these risks might be mitigated. The CAIS says it wants to put guardrails in place and set up institutions so that AI risks don't catch humans off guard. Some critics say that these companies prioritizing hypothetical future threats are ignoring and diverting attention away from AI harms that exist right now. The Philips Sonicare toothbrush contains an NFC tag that communicates with the toothbrush handle to remind users when it is time to buy a new one. QR Code Designer is a web app that allows users to create QR codes with arbitrary designs in the middle section. This repository contains a collection of server component-safe React hooks. It includes hooks for tracking user battery status, managing and manipulating lists, tracking variables, responding to changes to documents, managing counter values, and more. This article looks at big tech's biggest bets and the challenges these companies face in developing the technologies they have bet on. It covers Apple and Meta's plans to develop mixed reality headsets, Amazon's Alexa, Microsoft's AI, Android, iOS, gaming, new platforms, and much more. MacroTS is an ergonomic TypeScript compiler that enables type-safe syntactic macros. Shenzhou 16 launched on Tuesday to deliver 3 crew members to China's space station. Apple's AR mixed reality headset will reportedly have a 1.4-inch 4K screen in front of each eye. The micro OLED screens will have more than 5,000 nits of brightness and likely support promotion with a 120 Hz or higher refresh rate. The reports of a $3,000 price tag are likely accurate. Apple is expected to launch the headset on Monday during its WWDC keynote. Nvidia temporarily became a $1 trillion company this week. Its rising valuation is being fueled by tech companies racing to add generative AI to their products. Nvidia's Computex 2023 keynote was full of AI announcements. The company reported over $2 billion in profits over 3 months in its last quarterly earnings report. Fastgron is a high-performance JSON to GRON converter. It transforms JSON into discrete assignments to make it easier to grep and see the absolute path to it. Fastgron makes exploring APIs with terrible documentation easier. This blog post talks about how to stop being a junior and start making major positive movements in your career.